everyone, and welcome to Rendora's version update video. Today, we're excited to share what's new in our V2.2 update, released on August 19th. This video is divided into 3 parts: a brand new editing method, new features, and feature optimizations. Let's start with the biggest change, our brand new timeline editor feature. We know that creating videos can sometimes feel tricky. Uncertainty during video generation and complicated editing steps can make the process frustrating. That's why we've redesigned how editing works. With this update, you now have full control over every element in your video. Editing is simpler, faster, and much more flexible, helping you create high-quality videos with less effort. Now, let's check out how it works. First, go to the Rendora homepage and click AI Create in the top right corner to start a new project. Enter your script in the text box below and upload your media on the left. Finally, click 3D Generate. You'll immediately notice something exciting. Video generation is now much faster. And here's the best part: every element in your video, media, script, emojis, actions, camera shots, and even element, is now displayed directly on the timeline. This means you don't have to wait for the video to fully render before editing. You can start making changes right away. Just hover over the timeline and click the edit icon to enter editing mode. Want to change camera shots? Simply select the track and switch it from the panel on the left. The preview updates instantly, so you can see the new camera shot right away. Saving your changes is super easy too. Just click any track in the bottom navigation bar, and your changes are saved instantly. Need to tweak something else? No problem. Just select the part you want to change, and you can edit it quickly. And it doesn't stop there. You can also open the media library at the top to change studios, avatars, or voices. Plus, every change you make updates in real time. What you see is exactly what you get. Once you're done editing everything, just click Preview in the top right corner. Rendora's AI rendering system will process your video in the cloud and instantly show you a real-time preview with all your recent changes. If everything looks good, hit Export in the top right corner, and you're done. Pretty awesome, right? This update makes the whole experience smoother and faster than ever before. Next, let's move on to the feature updates. First, AI expression control. A truly engaging video isn't just about sharing information, it's about emotion and expression. That's what really connects with your audience. But let's be honest, even with real actors, this can be tough to get right. With this update, Rendora introduces a breakthrough feature, AI expression control. Now, your avatar can automatically switch emotions based on your content: happy, serious, even curious, making your message more dynamic and impactful. This helps you grab attention and keep viewers engaged. Of course, if you prefer full control, you can easily turn this feature off. On the Generate page, click the drop-down next to the 3D Generate button, and you'll see options to toggle actions, emojis, and opening or ending animations. And even if you turn off auto-generation, you can still edit everything manually later in the editing page. Second, emoji and action editing. Auto-generated emojis and actions are great, but real control comes when you can fine-tune every detail. That's why we've added emoji and action editing. In the editing page, you'll find an emoji track on the timeline. This lets you see exactly where emojis are added. Click the Edit button to enter expression editing mode. From here, you can move emojis around, adjust their duration, or delete them with a single click. Adding new emojis is just as easy. For example, add a smile when your avatar greets viewers. Use a serious look for formal training content, or add a curious emoji when asking a question. Controlling actions is just as easy as emojis. Simply switch to the action library in the top left corner, and you'll find a wide range of gestures to choose from. Drag the actions onto the timeline and pair them with emojis to make your avatar more natural and expressive. Sounds exciting, right? Go ahead and give it a try. Finally, let's take a look at the feature optimizations. First, media editing improvements. In this update, we've made media editing much easier, so you can create visuals that perfectly match your content. On the Generate page, click the edit icon on any scene to enter media editing mode. Here's what you can do. Select an image and click Set as background on the right to fill the screen perfectly. Upload a new image. Click crop on the right side, choose your favorite ratio from the selections, click confirm, and adjust its position. And just like that, you have a personalized visual. Want a consistent style? Select text and use the color picker on the right to quickly change colors. We've also updated our shapes and icons library, so you can pick elements that match your content and create more customized visuals for your videos or slides. The best part? After generating your 3D video, you don't need to go back to the 3D Generate page to edit media. Simply click the edit icon on the media track in the editing page to edit your scripts and media. Click the edit icon again, and you can start editing your media right there, just like before. Editing scripts is just as simple. Click the edit icon on the script track, and a pop-up window will let you modify your script. You can also add pauses here. Don't forget this handy tip. Second, drafts feature improvements. Creating a video often involves multiple rounds of edits. How do you go back to a previous version? Or export different versions of your video? The new drafts feature makes this much easier. Click the clock icon in the top left corner to open the drafts panel on the right. With the updated drafts, every time you generate a 3D video, a new record is automatically created. Open a record group to see all the details of your edits. Click on any record name, and you'll jump straight to the matching record. Fast and convenient. From here, you can continue editing or export the video from that specific record. It's a huge time saver and keeps your workflow organized. Third, rendering improvements. Rendering videos repeatedly can take time and use up credits. In this update, we've optimized the rendering process to make it faster and more flexible. Now, you can cancel rendering at any time. The parts that have already been rendered will still preview normally, while unfinished parts show a placeholder avatar. This doesn't affect your ability to edit or generate content. You can directly select and edit any part from the preview timeline. For advanced users who don't need to watch a preview, you can skip it entirely and export the video directly after editing, saving you even more time. We've also improved partial rendering. If you only made small edits and don't want to re-render the whole video, just click the drop-down on Preview in the top right corner, select the scene you want, and click Scene Preview. This allows you to quickly check changes on specific sections, boosting your workflow efficiency. That's everything in this version update. We invite all creators to try out the latest version of Rendora. As an innovative 3D avatar platform, Rendora is constantly exploring new ways to create in the AI era while continuously improving features to help you easily produce high-quality 3D avatar videos. We'd love to hear your feedback. Share your experience in our community or on the official website. Your input could even help shape future updates. Thank you for your support, and we'll see you in the next version update.